Check this out. Clipchamp just rolled out a huge upgrade to auto captions, and this completely changes how you can style those captions. Before this, auto captions were pretty basic, but now you've got presets, highlights, and way more control. So if you're trying to keep people watching your videos, this is something you need to be using. But honestly, I didn't even realize this change at first. So I just happened to be working on another video for one of my other channels when I noticed something was a bit off. At first I couldn't place it, but then I thought that I had accidentally clicked on the wrong button. But even then it still looked off. So I stopped, thought some more. Then I went back through it to fix what I obviously was doing wrong. I had written my script, imported all of my media, put together the text-to-speech, and added my calls to action. I was putting the icing on the cake when I noticed that the normal auto-caption function had changed. I had clicked the CC captions, try now, and transcribe media. I then waited patiently for the speech to be converted to captions. When it finally finished, I was confused because I felt like I was in the wrong spot, like I had accidentally clicked on some other field. But to my surprise, I was exactly where I should have been. And that is when I clicked on the caption text to modify it. I now had a dozen, actually 13 presets that had different types of fonts, different sizes, as well as multiple options for filled text boxes as well. It was like expecting the same plain old vanilla ice cream, and suddenly getting a full-blown dessert bar, sprinkles, hot fudge, caramel drizzle, whipped cream, and every topping you didn't even know you wanted, all laid out right in front of you. This is a huge change. If you're new to Clipchamp, one of our older videos shows what it looked like when you use the auto captions. Now, with just one click, you get an auto-formatted caption that you can edit whatever way you like. Now let's go through the amazing new options. Just as in the previous version, you'll go over to CC Captions and Try Now. You'll select Confirm Settings, or check the filter button and then Confirm Settings. At that point, it will process and create your captions. You'll see your new captions in the right transcript field, as well as the captions on the screen. You can click on the captions. At that point, instead of the old default monochrome, simple, boring layout, you get 13 different colorful and stylistic presets that make using the auto caption so much easier. Not only does this save you time from having to search for the right combination of font type, outlines, and shadows, it gives you additional capabilities that didn't exist before. It's funny how something so simple can have such a meaningful impact on how you do your day-to-day work. But Microsoft has done it with this update. Now, if you've experienced some of the auto caption funk over the past few years, you will definitely appreciate these updates. So go ahead and try it out. And while you're at it, like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest Clipchamp news. As always, good luck on your faceless freedom journey, and until next time.